Hey guys, you gotta see this firsthand here. These are the legacy Autoboat units, and this is what it has now evolved to. A much cleaner, better operating, smoother, and more accurate system. Okay guys, this is the beauty of nav mode. So we're gonna go ahead and point right here. Just get us out here a little bit. And then, right over there, we're gonna turn the trolling motor 360 or 180, push it toward that dock, press nav mode, and watch it straighten itself out. Nav mode. There it is. Nav mode will point you from an A to B line any way you push it. But you need to be in control and know where you're going. You hit anchor. All right. Oh, very good. Very impressive. That was just, what, 6 feet? 5 feet? Turned you right around on that point. The same unit that brought trolling motor GPS technology to so many first-time users has now upgraded. It's much more streamlined, easier to install, more precise, and more powerful. Oh, it's gonna be tough to fish now. It's gonna be tough to even load the boat in the water with this wind. We would be absolutely screwed right now without spot lock. The same technology to anchor bass boats and higher-end larger fishing boats out in the open water has now been reborn to a much more efficient and much more cost-friendly unit than anything else like it on the market. Its density of value is unsurpassed. It gives you things for free that would cost you thousands of dollars more just to seamlessly integrate proprietary fish finders into. If you have a phone, you can use the app. You can make your own tracks and follow them. You can fish without worrying about running into someone or something. This means less worry about rough and windy conditions, less worry about river currents, and more time to focus with more casts, which means landing more fish, even in the roughest conditions, on the smallest little rig with the highest wind. This unit will hold true. So if you've ever had a small watercraft like this that you wanted to take anywhere and withstand the harshest of conditions, you can now do it without having to spend thousands of dollars on a trolling motor too big and bulky to even put on your boat in the first place. This product is made for small boats and kayaks, meant to mount onto any basic transit mount trolling motor that fits our approved criteria for mounting. Because of its ability to be converted onto a basic trolling motor, you can put it in pretty much anything, from the smallest of rigs to even a fairly large sized boat. Once it is installed on your rig, there is no other trolling motor on the market as portable, as versatile, or with the same density of value that this rig has. It may not be the first GPS trolling motor technology out there, but it is one in a class of its own. Check us out here, TBNation.net.